everybody, I'm back and I wanted to show you what I got from Bath & Body Works. Now, I usually go to Bath & Body Works probably 3 times a year, and it's usually Christmas, fall, and well, it's in between spring and summer depending. This year I didn't go at Christmas, but they were having a crazy sale after Christmas, because today is the 27th, 28th of December. So I want to show you what I got. Everything that I got was 75% off, and the candles were $11.95, where they're normally $25.50. There is no way I would pay $25.50 for a candle. I'm sorry, I just won't do it. But look how pretty this candle is. And this was for, well, it looks like it's Christmas. Whatever, it doesn't matter to me because I think it's really pretty. This is, gosh, you guys, I'm getting my new glasses soon. Marble chocolate. Well, let's read this one, Davita. Make it easier on yourself. Marble chocolate cupcake. And the notes are sweet cocoa, milk chocolate topped with vanilla glaze with natural essential oils. This one, I'm telling you, I'll probably burn this when I'm making my faux foods. Yeah, you can smell the chocolate and the vanilla in this. Yeah, that's a nice one. It smells like a white chocolate, so I got that. And I got the iced cranberry scone. And this one, the notes are fresh cranberry, crumbled brown sugar, sweet vanilla with essential oils. Very nice. I really, really like this one. And this is White Barn. I think they're both White Barn, actually. No, this one isn't, but this one is. And I didn't buy any Christmas candles this year, and I didn't buy any fall for this year. So then they had, now I don't know why it's pink. This is beyond me. I thought it would be yellow. But when I decorate for my bees, I'll put this out. Bee Positive, and this is strawberry lemon. Smells really good. It's sweet strawberries, sparkling lemon, and crystallized sugar. Let me open it. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's real nice. And these were these were 50% off. 50% off of the soaps. And everything else was 75% off, except this one, Fairy Tale. And this one was buy 3, get 1 free, but I didn't want to buy 3 because you have to pay regular price. And regular price is $16.50. I'm not going to buy 3 if I really don't like the ones in particular, so I could get the 1 free. But this is just so pretty, the bottle. Okay, so the fragrant notes on this one is pomegranate nectar, fresh orange blossom, vanilla bean, warm amber. And this one smells really, really good. So I got that one. The rest of these were 75% off. Now, I really like the baking scents, and I used to have this one spray, and Victoria's Secret doesn't carry it anymore, but it was the vanilla. I can't remember the whole name. I think it was just Vanilla Lace. That's what it was, Vanilla Lace. Loved that. Well, they did away with it, and the one that they put in instead, I don't like as well. Anyway, all that to say, I do like the baking scents, but they have to be certain ones, and I don't, whenever I wear anything, I don't put a lot on. I put very little because I don't like it to be overpowering. But they had coconut candy apple. Now, they never used to carry these baking scents for fragrance. It was always the wallflowers, the candles, but never for the body to speak of. But the coconut candy apple, oh my gosh, it smells so, oh, let me tell you the notes. Candied red apple, shredded coconut, and vanilla spice. Treat yourself. This irresistible fragrance is made with a dash of love, a pinch of heartwarming joy, and a spoonful of pure fun. And I like this because none of this is tested on animals. But, oh, I wish you could smell this. This one's very light. This isn't a heavy scent at all. Then they had this Bahamas passion fruit and banana flower. They didn't have any spray with this one, but this one I thought smelled kind of good with this one, believe it or not. And this one has passion fruit, pineapple leaves, and banana flower. Those are the fragrance notes. Okay. This one, oh, it smells so good. I like these kind. Well, some of these I even like. This one will be more for spring and summer. This one I can wear for fall, winter. You guys look. This is one of my favorite candle scents, the pumpkin pecan waffles. 75% off. This was $3.75. Well worth it. Oh my gosh, I love these. Okay, the notes are, and I'm sure many of you have the candle. Okay, maple syrup, golden waffle, pumpkin spice, brown sugar. Now, it doesn't smell exactly like the candle. It's got a little bit lighter fragrance. Oh, I love this. It reminds me of that vanilla that I had from Victoria's Secret. I love their packaging. But the marshmallow pumpkin latte, they didn't have the body cream to go with this, but they did have this one. And the notes on this are pumpkin latte, toasted marshmallows, creamy sandalwood, and praline musk. Really nice. And I like their body creams because they're really thick, and I just like the way they feel. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's real nice. Yeah, I like that. And then the last thing was, again, 75% off, Sunshine Mimosa. And this fragrance was bright, bubbly champagne and fresh citrus. This is a very light smell, perfect for summer, spring and summer. But I'll wear these no matter what. I mean, I wear them if I feel like wearing them. I don't care what the season is. But I just wanted to share with you my Bath and Body haul. Like I said, I don't normally go in there and buy, you know, on a regular basis. It is usually at the holidays, and especially when it's a good sale. I have an app for Bath and Body too, so that helps. So I just wanted to share that with you in case you wanted to go down and get some of these. Guys, until we get together again, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever forget that. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.